is harnessing research and
the program is running smoothly. We appreciate you, Director of Program. Asante sana.
Tuina conference ito ya mbere ni international area ikoretwe igicema igita kana igicemania hamwe andu aingi tuina ma industry mari guku ni undu wa gukorwo githomo kiria girathomwo riu ni kirenda unyitaniri munene thiini wa githomo gia thukuru na githomo kia industry nigetha graduate urio uricoka kuma thiini wa mathukuru maitu ma TVET akorwo ari graduate we ready kana we tayari gukorwo akiingira thiini wa industry atakwenda gutrainwo ringi na koguo ni tugukorwo tukinyihanyihia cost cia industry tondu ni magukorwo na mundu marabatarania na uria wagirikite wina githomo kiagiriru na ona ithuĩ ta training institutions ni tugukorwo tukinyihanyihia uhoro wa gukorwo ni turenda materials cia training ni tondu tukirutaga what is called dual training kana ngwataniro ya institution hamwe na industry ni tugukorwo tukihuthira material iria ikoragwo thiini wa industry citu kurutana kana guthomithania ciana citu na koguo tukanyihanyihia mahuthiri maria mangikorwo nodo wa fees area giendeka.
The next milestone is to have those industries within our institutions so that we do not have the world of academia and the world of industries are separated. It has to be one ecosystem. And this is where now the first world, like I have said, I was in Malaysia the other day, I have seen it in Singapore, I have seen it in India, I have seen it in China, where academia, especially the TVET institutions and the industries are actually one and the same thing. They are in tandem. And that way, we are going to have our young people learn very quickly what the industries are doing.
Innovations kana a practical innovations riria ihetwo platform ya gutuika commercialized ni tuika ya gukorwo igicreate kana igithondeka kana uthunduri ni tuikaga wa guthondeka uhoro wa kwandikwo tondu ni twi maira ma kwandikwo thiini wa thirikari ni makunderu no biashara nicio ciandikaga andu aria ingi muno koguo innovations iria youth aitu menacio guku thiini wa Michuki Polytechnic ni twihariithie ithuĩ ta Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry kumahe platform kumahe network opportunities matuike ao commercialize kana ku multiply innovation icio menacio na nigetha ciuke cia gukorwo igithondeka mawira.